Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by stabilizing the vehicle and confirming pressures. This ensures reliable readings. Once done, use a tread gauge or a 20p/quarter coin to measure depth at 3 points across the tread: inner, center, outer. You should also expose the valve stem for a final pressure check. Make sure to rotate through each tire methodically and log results. This first sweep sets a baseline for wear pattern detection and tells you where to focus deeper inspection next. You now take detailed tread depth readings, record millimeters or coin results at each point, and check against the legal limit and the tire's wear bars. Once done, differences reveal irregular wear. Next, inspect sidewalls and shoulder areas for cuts, bulges, or exposed cords. These are immediate red flags. Also locate the DOT code to confirm manufacture week and year. Make sure to weigh age against the recommended replacement threshold. Because a structurally old tire, you finalize the decision by combining depth, damage, and age. If tread is at or below 1.6 mm, cords show, bulges exist, or age exceeds guidelines, you must replace the tire. Once done with a replacement, recheck pressures and alignment to prevent repeat wear. If results are borderline, rotate the tire and retest after about 1,000 miles, and make sure to monitor pressure weekly. If anything seems ambiguous or the tire shows unusual damage, get a professional lift inspection immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.